Welcome back everyone to another video. Today we're going to see how to add a second WhatsApp account on iPhone. Firstly, go to the App Store and download WhatsApp Business. Open the app and tap Agree and Continue to accept the terms. When prompted to use your existing WhatsApp number, tap Use a different number and enter the second phone number. Type the OTP you received, then tap Done. If you've used WhatsApp on that number before, choose Chat Restore History, otherwise tap Skip. Now enter your name, set a profile photo, and under Business category, choose Not a Business, then tap Done. Follow the remaining prompts and tap Continue or Not Now when needed. Follow the remaining prompts and tap Continue, then go to WhatsApp settings, notifications, and set a different tone to distinguish it from the main WhatsApp app. Now you have two separate WhatsApp accounts operating independently on your iPhone. Also, you can use the Messenger Duo for WhatsApp from the App Store. Open the app, scan the QR code, and you can use it as a second WhatsApp app on your iPhone. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.